After a millennium of peace, the Kian Empire breaks the silence, declaring war on humanity for refusing their demands. As the warships prepare for invasion, Supreme Commander Zorak is met with unexpected laughter from Admiral Tessa Monroe, Earth's Defense Forces leader. She grins, mocking their demands for exclusive mining rights. The audacity infuriates Zorak, who recalls the Empire's storied conquests across galaxies. Despite the tension, Admiral Monroe reveals humanity has been observing them for centuries, claiming the peace treaty was more for Kian protection than Earth's. Back on the Kian command ship, Zorak is furious yet puzzled by the humans' laughter. His crew is on edge, speculating whether this is all a bluff. As they analyze the humor-infused threat, they realize their understanding of humanity is lacking. Admiral Monroe continues, explaining her vast knowledge of Kian tactics, built from a millennium of surveillance. The Kian fleet prepares to march into the Sol system, gearing up for what they believe will be a swift victory against a lesser species. As the Kian armada crosses into the Sol system, navigational reports indicate no signs of human defense. This supposed overconfidence brews doubt among Zorak's ranks. Nevertheless, Zorak is determined, proclaiming that they will remind humans why the Kian Empire is feared. The tension rises. They venture deeper into the solar system, passing various planets unopposed. But caution whispers in Zorak's mind as the memory of Monroe's laughter echoes. Suddenly, a warning erupts throughout the command ship. Unusual readings from Saturn's rings signal imminent danger. The rings themselves begin to shift, revealing a hidden fleet of billions of ships concealed within. Admiral Monroe's smug voice fills the communication channel as she greets them. The shock and horror on the bridge are palpable as the Kian commander realizes the deception, the sheer scale of humanity's military advancement astonishing them. Admiral Monroe explains that they have automated ship production for centuries, crafting a massive fleet completely undetected. With a flick of her wrist, she commands her forces to demonstrate their prowess. The Kian vessels fire in full force, but human ships exhibit unpredictable movements, dodging attacks effortlessly, a dance of technology that belies their previous assumptions about human capabilities. As human ships venture forward, Zorak watches in disbelief. They make contact and dissolve entire Kian vessels at the molecular level, showcasing advanced technology that appears almost magical. Panic spreads among the Kian officers as they grasp the full extent of the human power displayed before them. The battlefield transforms into a demonstration of unprecedented superiority. Though faced with imminent defeat, Zorak feels the natural urge to conquer fight back. However, as he hears Monroe's counteroffer to return and renew the treaty, a new sensation stirs within him, the concept of retreat. Faced with the incomprehensible thinning of Kian warships, he barks orders to withdraw, tasting the bitter defeat upon his lips. The human ships hold their position, unaffected by the Kian retreat. Monroe humorously condescends to the retreating Kian forces, playing upon Zorak's sense of humiliation. The laughter rings in his mind, a poignant reminder of their failure. He grasps the gravity of what has occurred and acknowledges the need for learning, recognizing the stagnation within Kian society compared to human ingenuity. Zorak returns to Kian Prime, fully aware of the gravity surrounding the Council. The sharing of his encounter with humanity lays bare the Kian Empire's vulnerabilities. The Council, initially enraged, slowly begins to appreciate Zorak's perspective that to survive, they must prioritize scientific advancement over military expansion. A human emissary arrives with a device containing the entire history of human scientific achievement, offering it as a gesture of goodwill to the Kian Empire, paving the way for a partnership beyond mere war. This intrigue unfolds possibilities for progress and cooperation, hinting at future dialogues and shared threats lurking beyond the stars. As discussions commence, Zorak perceives a profound shift in his worldview. The focus on conquest dims, and a glimmer of curiosity awakens within him for knowledge, wanting to understand why humanity thrives and laughs amid declarations of war. The sense of impending doom shifts to hope as Zorak steps toward a future that marries their cultures rather than destroys them. The Kian Empire finds itself at a crossroads. Either remain conquerors or evolve into something that can stand side by side with humanity. In this unknown territory, Zorak embraces this newfound curiosity, seeking understanding instead of vengeance, an unexpected ally amidst the gathering storm of cosmic threats. A future unfolds, filled with promise and collaboration against a common enemy that neither can face alone.